morning all, this is Edward along with our Unique Bee team at Persatuan Insan Istimewa Ceras in Selangor to kickstart our CSR program in conjunction with the launch of H12 Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. This morning we have Kelvin here with me, who is the person in charge at Persatuan Insan. Part of this program, we are actually pledging to donate 1 unit of H12 to the charity home whenever we sell 50 units to the public. Aside from all the in-kind donation, people will be asking why Persatuan Insan. This charity home has a special place in our heart. Especially last year during the pandemic, our company has unspent budget for all the company trips. Our colleagues were all kind enough to give the idea, why don't we donate all the money to all the charity homes that work closely with us, and Persatuan Insan is on top of the list. Our aim here today is also to demonstrate to Kelvin on how to use H12, because we strongly believe that with this it will help them on all the daily chores, cleaning and mopping of the floor. Greatly ask everyone to pledge your support towards the sales of H12, because every unit that you purchase, it will then help to contribute to assist the more charity homes that will be receiving this H12. Thank you very much everyone, and thank you, Kelvin.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dreame.